Hello and welcome back again to MarineMax Gulf Shores. Today we're going to be taking a brief look at Harris's 2020 230 Sunliner. This is a Tri-Toon with the black anodized railing. And as we walk up, take a peek on top of this boat, you'll notice the beautiful upholstery with the armrests. Nice cup holders out of the way. Beautiful flooring. Helm that is user-friendly. And captain's seat, which is very comfortable. In the back of this particular 230 Sunliner, you'll notice that there's a lounger, rear-facing lounger, and seats to the inside. For a more detailed viewing of this Harris 230 Sunliner, come see me, Dwayne Diggs, at MarineMax Gulf Shores. Thank you, and come again.